today, I'm deciding to pull myself out of a funk, to get off of my phone, to actually look around my room and realize I have a little bit of a mess and I kinda need to clean it. So I'm thinking about completely taking off this wall of lights on this side behind the little curtain drape thing, or move it over this way behind the mirror, because this wall is kind of plain other than like a little bit of this wall decor. But after I move this, I'm thinking of just doing a whole entire collage wall. This whole area just looks so plain. I haven't changed my calendar from the month of June over to July. I need to probably do that today too.